So you might be in a position where for some reason your iPhone is just randomly shutting off. Now what does this mean? Well, essentially your iPhone is just not turning on, or maybe it's just, on for a while and then it just randomly turns off right after. Now this is a fairly common issue and it can happen really to anybody. So the first thing you have to understand is, did you recently do something crazy to your phone? Did you recently drop it? Did you put it in a bunch of water? Did you crack it? Did anything like that happen at all? If that is the case, then it may not be a simple solution to fix. It may be a hardware issue. So the only way to fix those types of things is to get it prepared. So just keep that in mind. If you're in that situation, then you can just not watch this video and just go down that direction. But if you didn't really experience those types of issues, the very first thing I would recommend doing for the most part is to make your way over to your iPhone settings. So just go into your settings here. Scroll down into General. So click on General right there. You want to go and click on Software Update. And all you want to do is go ahead and basically update your iPhone. If you have an update available for your device, this is usually a main reason why you may be having this issue. So if you haven't updated your phone, if you recently updated your phone, those can be some reasons why there's maybe some incompatibility issues. Your iPhone may be randomly restarting like that. So just go through, and typically that might end up fixing itself if you just update your device. Now you can still be in a situation where you go and update your phone and it's still not working. Well, another thing you have to remember is, like, if you do have an iPhone that's kind of newer, like an iPhone 14 Pro or like an iPhone 15 if you're watching this feature, whatever iPhone you have, you are typically going to be in a good situation. If you're having hardware issues like that, you may want to contact Apple and have them take a look at your phone if it's a brand new device. Another big thing that can usually happen for the most part is if your iPhone is randomly having battery issues. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings of your iPhone again. You want to scroll down into battery. You want to click on battery health and charging, and all you want to do here is just go ahead and make sure that your maximum capacity here is still kind of high. I mean, if it's over 70%, you're kind of okay, but if it's under 70%, if it's like 50% or something, I think I've had an iPhone that's like 60 something percent on my success, and that phone was randomly shutting off all the time. So if this is basically at 100%, then you're fine. It might be another issue. But if this is below 70% or even below 80%, it may still show you that you have like 39% of charge available, when in reality it's like 0%. The battery is not, the algorithm isn't right, and it's just showing you a wrong number, when in reality your phone is just constantly dying over and over again. When it may look like it's like a random shut off, but it's actually a battery issue. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix this type of situation. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.